a surprising move, Google announced at the recent Google I/O conference that it's working to enable Google TV on televisions with limited RAM, despite past failures with similar endeavors like the Chromecast with Google TV HD. This decision aims to make Google TV more accessible to a wider audience by partnering with selected manufacturers to offer more affordable TVs with the platform pre-installed, moving beyond its current exclusivity to high-end and mid-range models. Historically, Android's performance has been hampered by insufficient RAM and storage, as seen with the 1.5 GB RAM and 8 GB storage of the Chromecast with Google TV HD, which even struggled with updates. Google subsequently shifted to the Google TV Streamer, which compensated for a less powerful chip with a robust 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The challenge now lies in how Google plans to optimize Google TV to function effectively with potentially as little as 1 GB of RAM, a significant reduction from the typical 2 GB minimum in current Google TV models. The consequences of this memory reduction on user experience remain unclear, but it's likely these more affordable TVs will offer a somewhat limited version of the Google TV experience.